Very, very exciting day, everyone. The Super Bee is going to come back on the ground for the first time since May of 2021. And so it's been about 4.5 years. It has sat on bed of Big Bob, and somehow this bed hasn't fallen through yet. Somehow it didn't even fall through when we pushed it on there 4.5 years ago. It's definitely seen its years and years in the sun, weather, snow, rain. This old truck used to haul apple trees in Ohio and Washington State. Alex and I drove it out here, and it's been here ever since, waiting. And now we're gonna put the Bee on the ground and get this car one step closer to being a running, driving, tire smoking machine. So this is a very exciting day for a lot of reasons. 5 years later, Alex and I drove this rig across country from upstate New York out here to Utah across a 5-day road trip.
There we go. That's good.
There's videos on our channel from earlier on. You can go check those out, but it was one hell of a ride. Sweet. She is going one step closer to the ground. Going over. Wow. Big Bob is officially free man. Hurry up, run, Big Bob. The Eagle is landing. Super Bee has landed. That is cool. This truck has not been empty like that since upstate New York. That is really neat. Time for a victory lap. And that's the best part right there. Nine years ago, I bought this 70 Super Bee, and I didn't know when I'd get to working on it. And finally, 9 years later, here I am, getting going with Dave from Rust Bucket Restos. Be sure to go check out his channel as well, where you can catch all the updates, because we're going to be posting a whole series now that we're tearing into this car, and we're going panel by panel, baby. I'm talking full rotisserie restoration, media blasting, the whole thing, brand new AMD metal. It's going to be a lot of fun, and there's going to be a lot of videos coming up here. So stay tuned to both of our channels and enjoy the 70 Super Bee restoration that's finally happening. Hell yeah!